Welcome to yet another unboxing video. This is our rolled flooring for the van. This came from Home Depot. The health department doesn't like to have seams in the floor unless they're sealed, and that's a lot of busy work, so we're going to go with this rolled flooring. We've used it before in the other vans, so let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. It's 7.5 feet by 14 feet with no seams. So you can do an entire ProMaster van EXT with no seams. The official Daimler, Chrysler, Fiat, Chrysler, Stialis, Chrysler, whatever it's called nowadays, floor mat is quite expensive, and you're going to cover most of it up. This was only about $100 and some odd. And what we do is we put a 3/4 inch piece of plywood down. That way you can screw and fasten stuff to the floor without screwing into the body of the van. We'll show you that later on in the rebuild video. But for right now, we will get this unwrapped and laid out flat on the floor. Roll it out and just leave it sit for a while so you can work with it without driving yourself crazy. Because as soon as you take the weights off, it wants to roll back up on itself. So, all right, thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.